Vem pra cá. Even though Guardians is much better than
I've never seen that.
Kind of like your tickets or annual passes. Because they offer that, unlimited for the year. Yeah. The parties? Yeah, Randy. I think you're onto something. Randy says, John, very interested in the family. We discuss it as a back to you on this Wednesday. You've got it, Randy. Keep around says that Randy, a lifetime membership to Club 34 would be the best gift. I assume you come on, making a funny about Club 33. Frank says you're good at 21. Thank you, Frank. Mama X says you better keep it for long video. Mama X says Mama Mark in the house. Nice to meet you. There we go. Mama Duck again.
Mama Duck.
Mama Duck. Come on, you don't pull too hard, don't break. Randy says, I wish Club 33 could be an option, but maybe in the future. I guess so, Randy. Yeah, after you buy the castle of the floor. Something like that. Because I know I'm aware of on the patterns. And he says, isn't Club 34 the Waffle House? Sort of on like that, too, man. You see that look? Oh, boy. Oh, you're... Mama, that Frank says, having a shovel and a permit. Digging around? Okay. Oh, boy. So I can only imagine, it costs a lot of money to send them. People's school. Like an assistant. Lady, putting my kids through college. Yeah, right. And he's ready to be tripping. He's done. You have a shovel and a permit to be digging around? I hope you're taking that, in a funny way, Randy. Oh, boy. That's good. Oh, but I can somehow back
Same phone call. Alan's screaming at it.
Randy says 70 minutes.
7 minutes?
So
We'll check it out.
I'd say that's on the lower side, if you will. Lower than average.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Momadak says agreed. Z180. Now the turn. Randy says that 7-minute wait. You're gonna get conga. Oh, there we are getting photomarks loud.
Conga.
He knows. He sees it all the time. Randy's on the top of the jack going, not conga, not conga. Let's not get conga. Come on, guys. Magic Event says no matter how far away. Mountain Mike says Guardian 60 minutes. Oh, it's 60 minutes.
60 minutes.
Now it says 60?
Yeah.
Good. It says with the Disney map, when we go to the park, we spend that much. Yeah, exactly. Good event says Club 33, Club 34, but I just happen to be a part-time member of Club School Beverly Division. Student Adventures. Florida Mark loves it too. Look at you go.
The Beverly champion.
Club 33, Club 34, I'm just happy to be a part-time member of Club Beverly Division. The police squad. Hey, we're contacts. Yeah, and they're like, damn that.
So you don't want a Beverly? I'm buying.
Florida Mark. You don't want a Beverly or mine? Very well done.
There's over there and I'll join you.
And if you're new to the channel, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring that notification bell. We're currently in World Showcase. Off to our right-hand side, if you will, is the World Showcase Lagoon. You can see the luminous barges. They have been installed for tonight's performance of Luminous. At 9 o'clock p.m. We're going to walk around the backside after the gas station. Photos. Florida Mark just photobomb. You photobomb.
Oh no.
Randy says, I am taking in a hilarious way, but you said you were digging around in the pocket. You need a shovel. That's right, Randy. Like I keep saying, I have all kinds of various items in my pocket to keep us broadcasting live. Like Walt said, remember Walt Disney in the Epcot film? Epcot, spelled E-P-C-O-T. I love it when, like, Progress City, USA, Michael Crawford does the Walt Disney voice, but he doesn't like, I just did it. Epcot, but he doesn't quite do it. Epcot. Or going up a waterfall. I love that. Randy says, yes, we went down to 60 minutes. Be the same thing from last time, but the tracks might be lower. Maybe, Randy, let's see. Over to the right-hand side, we have the port of entry. Remember the olden days? We used to go to the Disney traders to get fuel rods. Florida Mark, were you in the chat then? Okay. When we were only using fuel rods instead of the NPF batteries on Frankenstein?
Oh yeah, that's right.
And probably every, like, what was it, Randy? Every 40 minutes, you're like, go get the fuel rod, John. It was like literally every 40 minutes we had running the fuel rod.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
The three devices just consume so much battery juice.
It does.
And we upgraded, of course, to the NPFs.
Mine's good for an hour.
Yeah. Go back to the chat. Chris says, hey everybody, what's going on? We hope everyone is having an amazing Wednesday at Epcot. It's awesome, Chris. You've seen it. You've seen the man, the myth, the legend himself, Florida Mark, in the house, as Mom and Duck would say.
Florida Mark.
So we're heading over to Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. It only has a 60-minute standby wait time. So that's good news.
Wow.
Well, let's get back to the chat. Scuda Adventures says, awesome planet. No line, no waiting. Oh, Scuda Adventures, look at you go. For the record, Scuda Adventures, I enjoy it very much. I think it's very well done. But yes, I like what you said. Scuda Adventures says, awesome planet, no line, no waiting. But you have wall carpet in there, Scuda Adventures. Can't be the wall carpet. Stop. Randy says, John, Frankie, and Florida Mark. Yeah, well, let's do it again. Here we go. I think I know where we're going. John, Frank, and Florida Mark are on their way to Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. But the real question is, will they make a cosmic detour for a Beverly? Rumor has it Florida Mark's buying, which means the pain is free, but the faces are priceless. Buckle up. It's about to be a wild ride and off the coast. Look at you go, Randy.
Oh.
Look at that.
It's on fire.
I'll try to get it better. I'll try to do it better. Okay. And this time I'll point at spaceship room. So listen to Randy says John, Frank, and Florida are on their way to Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. But the real question is, will they make a cosmic detour for a Beverly? Rumor has it Florida Mark's buying, which means the pain is free, but the faces are priceless. Buckle up. It's about to be a wild ride on and off the coaster. Very well done, Red. Randy says, yes, it was a 40-minute mark. I had a time of almost. Those were the days. I'm going to pull a Sonic and say, LOL. Yeah, all caps. Randy, look at you. Again, I got to repeat that because that was good. Randy saying, yes, it was a 40-minute mark. I had a time of almost those were the days. I'm going to pull a Sonic and say, Randy's also saying, and when I say a 40-minute mark, it wasn't a Florida mark. Oh, look at that. It wasn't a Florida mark.
I see what he did there.
Yeah, Florida Mark just said, oh, I see what you did there. George says, Florida Mike, Cal, baby Frank. We're going to throw Frankie Boy in his little car seat and he's experience the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Got you glued to your seat.
Oh, boy. Okay, we're going to follow Florida Mark. Wherever he heads, we'll follow. He's like the Pied Piper. joined us, we're broadcasting live from Epcot. We got Florida Mark. He's actually a chat family member. We just met him today. A walkthrough, if you will, of Epcot for POV. In just a few moments, we're going to head over to the Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. Let's jump back to the
5 minutes.
I wonder if people usually just want to read that statement. And it says, buckle up. Now I'm picturing baseball, right? And start calling the game. What they're going to do. Good adventures, Michelle, and I did awesome plans over the weekend. The vibes, guys. The vibes. Oh, Scooter Adventures. I didn't see that in notes. I stepped in it. Well, okay, so yeah. So Scooter Adventures has a for example, the Rivers of America.
Joyce?
There's a mic in my head. But it says then I am not following right now. I'm trying to upload a video for someone on the site. But I will stay here and do We are now in Walt Disney World Resort. Approaching Guardians of the Galaxy. There's an actual drinking fountain up there too. Florida Mark, are you thirsty?
Sure.
Are you okay with the swamp water on the drinking fountain? There's one up here on the left. I'm okay with it.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Oh, you're used to it. You live here.
The Beverly
you're used to
water.
it. Have you lived in Florida your whole life?
Nah, Pennsylvania.
Oh, okay.
Came here around 2006.
Okay. So probably near Rob's Med Road is my guess.
Yeah, I went to St. Pete and then moved to Lakeland after that.
That's awesome. That's it. Everything's just one moment. John,